asked you how you got your ideas. So you're answering a question. You're giving us something valuable, and it's supposed
Thank
to
you.
spark all of our ideas. Now we're going to go into our ideas for the rest of the group. Thank you.
Thanks. I think it's important that I don't leave out. So we learned from church, right? So we were applying things, but then we also um, looked for the resources from those that are anointed in their areas,
All
right?
right.
So I asked Pastor Abigail, help me with an event. We had a business launch event,
There
right?
we go.
Help me with an event to actually launch this business. And she literally coached me. She took me, she had a folder, she had a file, and we had meetings after meetings. And she took me through the budget and everything. She coached me on how to launch this event from A to Z.
Very
Number
cool.
one, there was one anointing that flowed and broke yokes.
Yeah.
Number two, we asked Apostle Lee, can you please help us with a logo?
Right.
He helped us with this brilliant logo, right? Like, I mean, seriously, if you see Bailey's, you know this is Bailey's, you know it's a repair shop. But he also helped us with our slogan. And I think I explained to you before, he gave the slogan. I was like, huh? No, man, this is a long slogan.
What's your slogan?
Conveniently caring for your car at your home or your office.
Perfect.
And I didn't like it. It didn't ring very well. But you know what? We accepted it. We submitted to it, basically. We humbled ourselves.
So did you
And
all notice the alliteration there? Conveniently caring for your car.
yeah. Yeah. So we took that out of understanding that certain people have been gifted and have anointings in certain things, in certain areas,
that's true.
and it's from God. So we took that. Do you know what? We are standing now. We started this business 2019 in Feb. So now 2019, it will be 6 years if my maths is correct. Right.
Incredible.
And I can tell you in the toughest times, because you're gonna get tough times. In the times when we scrambled and we didn't know which way to go, what to do with a client, when there were, I wanna say jobs that didn't go the way that we thought it would go, or what should we decide? That slogan, no, we would say to ourselves, no, we are offering a convenient service to care for people's cars. And it has carried us, it's literally been our USP. That has been our unique selling point.
Yeah.
And we couldn't have thought of it
I'm going to
ourselves.
stop you there.
Sure.
Thanks for that. So I'm going to show just a quick show and tell. I got stuck next to the road, and Tyrone Bailey of Bailey's Mobile Auto Clinic has come to help. They came within 15 minutes. They come find you next to the road and they fix your car. I tell you what, we've just bought parts here close by, and they're going to put it in on the N1 for us. It's an amazing service. I highly recommend it. Thank Bailey's Auto Clinic for getting me home safe and back home, and we're all fine, and it was in super quick time as well. So thanks for supporting us and our combi. We can get people carted safely around next week again. So cheers you guys. Thanks Tyrone.